Hi friends, welcome to Navin Math Poster YouTube channel. Now, if PQ is equal to 12 centimeters, PR is equal to 13 centimeters, and angle Q is equal to 90 degree, find QR and tan P minus cot R. Here, it is dealing with what is the triangle name. First of all, you should recognize that PQ is given, PR is given. PR, is it following PQ, PQR? PQ is one side, QR is one side, and again PR is one side. So next, angle Q is equal to 90 degree. So we know that in trigonometry the triangle will be in a right angle. So here it is 90 degrees there. Angle Q. So Q. So let's start with the PQR. So let us write data here. Given PQ is equal to 12, PQ 12 centimeters, PR 13 centimeter. So where is PR? PR 13 centimeter. As in previous sum, we have discussed about opposite side, adjacent side, hypotenuse and all. So here what we have, one is hypotenuse and other is a perpendicular of this PQR triangle. So our target is to find QR. Let it be X. Let QR is equal to X centimeters. So to get QR, we know that Pythagoras theorem formula. What is Pythagoras theorem formula? Hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus a adjacent square. So here what is hypotenuse? This PR is a hypotenuse and this is a opposite and this is a adjacent. Okay, so in place of hypotenuse we have 13. 13 square is equal to what is opposite? 12. 12 square plus what is adjacent here? X. X square. So 13 square. 13 13s are. What is the 13 13s are? 169. 12 square means 12 12s are. How much? 144. Plus X square. Here in right side we have 144, in left side we have bigger value 169. So we will shift this smaller value from right side to left side. It will be subtracted. After shifting this side it will become minus 144. 169 minus 144 is equal to X square. So 169 minus 144, 154, 164 and remaining balance is a 5. So 25. 25 is equal to X square. So for your convenience I am writing this X square left side and 25 right side. X square is equal to 25. X is equal to square will be shifting right side, then it will become root 25. So square root cancel 5. X is equal to 5 centimeters. What is X? QR. So QR is equal to 5 centimeters. So we are done with the first sum. And then what is second here? Tan P minus cot R. What is tan P? What is tan P? Tan P is equal to, just recall that formula. Sin, cos and third one is tan. It is only dealing with opposite and adjacent. Hypotenuse is not involved here. So opposite by adjacent. Opposite side of, what is opposite side of? Here tan P is there, not R. So opposite side of angle P by adjacent side of angle P. What is opposite side of angle P? So let us keep as target. Angle P opposite is a QR. Just show like this. So it is pointing like this means it is a opposite side for this case. So opposite of angle P is a QR. QR by adjacent side of angle P, which is touching this angle P, is called adjacent side, means PQ. PQ. So QR value is already found it. How much you got? 5. 5 by PQ value is already given in data. What is that? 12 centimeter. So tan P is equal to 5 by 12. Then cot R. What is cot R? Let us keep it in box. What is cot? Cot R is equal to, what is cot formula? Exactly reciprocal of tan. Tan is opposite by adjacent. So cot is adjacent by opposite. Adjacent will be coming up, opposite will be coming down. What is related here? R. So adjacent side of angle R by opposite side of angle R. So adjacent side, where is R? Let us find this. So our target is here, R. Adjacent side of angle R means which is touching this angle R. So this side is touching. What is this side? QR side. Opposite side of angle R. So now it is opposite side for angle R. Exactly opposite. PQ. What is this? PQ side. So QR by PQ. What is QR value? Let us see the figure. QR means X. We already found this one. How much we got? 5. 5 by. What is PQ value? PQ value is given in question, 12 centimeters. So cot R is equal to 5 by 12. Tan P is equal to 5 by 12. Our target is tan P minus cot R. So tan P minus cot R is equal to tan P value. Let us substitute this tan P value. How much we got here? 5 by 12 minus what is cot R value? 5 by 12. So they both are like fractions. So 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12. If I ask 8 minus 8, what will say? 0. 10 minus 10, 0. 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 0. 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12 is also 0. Either you can cancel like this, or you can do LCM. But it is easy to cancel like this. Why? Because tan P is. So finally, tan P minus cot R is equal to 0. So we're done with this sum, and in continuation we will be doing some little bit difficult sums. So in next part we will be seeing more sums. So if you like my class, please hit on like button and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.